So first of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, how are
How
you
are you?
doing?
I am well. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since we are meeting for the first time, so would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana. I'm from UP. And if I talk about my qualification, I am a MA B.Ed and I am a homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel, English with Kalpana. And I blessed with one son. So that's all about me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for introducing yourself. So can I introduce
Yeah.
myself?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So my name is Ruby. I'm calling from Ghaziabad. It's a city of UP. And speaking about my
Okay.
qualifications, so I have done post graduation in political science and B.Ed also. Comes to my hobbies, I like to do
Okay.
painting and crafting. But these days, I love to learn this language and interact with co-learner. That's all about me.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yes.
So, when did you start your journey, spoken English journey?
I have been starting this journey maybe last 3 months, 3.5, approx 4 months, I can say.
Okay.
In
So,
August. In August.
have you taken any classes?
Yeah. These days I'm taking classes on English Yari.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
So,
right.
when did you create your channel?
I have created my channel maybe September.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So, which part have you faced difficulties
I am
in
facing.
spoken English?
Yes. I these days these days I also am facing a lot of difficulty like how to construct a sentence, like how to make a sentence and vocabulary, pronunciation, like lot of thing, like many more difficulties because I'm an initial day I have no idea how to introduce myself. I mean 3 months before, but nowadays I speak little
Yeah.
bit, not more. Yeah, because these days I'm
Okay.
keen to learn this language, so that's why.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it depends on practice. If we do practice regularly, then we can able to speak fluently.
Yeah, absolutely right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
you are
So
correct.
if you have a question for me, then you can ask.
Yeah, of course, I have a lot of questions because you are also a learner, and recently maybe you have started spoken English.
Yes, about 4 months, 4 5 months ago.
Yeah. I have seen your videos on your channel. I have seen. So
Yeah.
you are also a learner. So I want to ask you from you like which type of content are you consuming for learning this language? Which type of content?
Like I listen speeches.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have done my Master of Art in English, so I know grammar rules, means rules of grammar. But so at this time, I'm only focusing on my speaking.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yeah, even I'm also not good at grammar, and especially tenses. But these days I'm working
okay.
because I have realized, I mean, basic knowledge is very important. What do you think
Yes,
about?
yes.
I mean, grammar is important. Or I want to ask you this question because you have done post graduation and you are also in this journey. So grammar is important or not?
Yeah, grammar is important, but I know grammar. But while speaking, I forget these things. So, in my opinion, speaking is the most important. Whatever you speak, you means you should we should speak. Try to speak, and after that, when we do practice regularly, then it's going to be easy for us.
Yeah, yes, yeah. My tutor also suggested to me you should focus on a little bit of grammar and yeah, of course speaking. Without
Yes,
speaking,
yes,
we can't learn this language. I
yeah,
mean, with the help of two pillars, with the help of these two pillars, I mean speaking and listening, we can learn our mother tongue. So it's a very
yes,
important. We can
yeah.
learn this language while speaking and of course listening. Both are very very important.
Yes,
So yeah.
when we listen our mother tongue, then we means learn this language, and at this way we can learn English.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
And we can't say like we can learn this language just 4 months, 5 months. I can't. Maybe it's not a good. It's a language and it's take time.
yes, you're
Yeah,
right.
day before yesterday, I talked with a person. I don't know he was from, and he said to me, "Ma'am, how can I learn this language just not 2 or 3 months?" And so it's not possible because recently I just
Yeah,
started, and I'm facing lots of problem while speaking. While sometimes I forget my mind like a blank while speaking, but I try to speak. But in my mind, just try to speak because I know without speaking I can't learn this language. So
yes,
important
yes,
speaking is crucial part.
yeah. And I have never focused on my speaking before. Means my college time, my school time. At this, then I decided to speak in English, because if I do not try, I will not try to speak in English, then I would not be able to speak in English fluently.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. At
Yeah.
least try.
Yeah.
Without try, how can know about
Yeah.
beneficial or
Okay.
not? So I want to ask you, like during COVID, have you learned any new skill during COVID?
During COVID, no.
Because it's too time, tough time. I mean, it's a too long time, like 1.5 year.
Yeah, I know. But at that time, I'm busy with my household chores, and
Okay.
so yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and my son is was means in at home at that time, so I have to had to do lots of work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
That's
had to teach, I had to completed all homework.
oh, I mean, like
Yeah,
other responsibilities. You
yes,
had a
yes,
lot of
other response.
responsibilities, so that's why.
Yeah,
Okay. 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 All right. So especially these days I want to ask you, people have no time, lot of people they have a lot of stress, and so what do you think what is your opinion about like a meditation, yoga, exercise? What is your opinion, like it's important for these days and important, so why is important?
yeah. These things are important, because if we do yoga and meditation, then we feel relaxed, and we feel comfortable to all types of problems.
Okay,
So
so
yeah,
have
it's
you,
necessary.
yeah,
What
so have you
I'm
tried?
not doing it, no,
Okay.
because I means I try to do this, but I do not do this work regularly.
Consistency, with consistency.
Yeah, yes, yes, with consistency.
Yeah, even I also, I have tried, but sometimes I feel lazy. I do some breathing exercise, like a breathing,
Yeah,
yeah, but I'm not a consist these days. But these day
yeah,
I inculcate in my habit, walking. Yeah, recently I've started every day, but yeah,
okay,
I can say I'm consist. Yes.
okay.
Spe- yeah,
So
especially these days, yoga is really famous. A lot of people they
yeah,
are doing
I,
yoga.
yeah, but in morning time I have not means lots. I have lots. I have to do lots of work, so I'm not no time to take to do this type of things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. because if we are doing any meditation, yoga, so our mind, and especially is really important for mental health as well as physical health both,
Yeah.
because sometimes we feel like a lot of stress, so just because of this thing we can reduce our stress. Recently I have started like a breathing exercise and meditation, and
Yeah.
yeah, I feel really good.
Okay. Yeah. So, what makes you happy?
What makes you happy? Yes, especially these
Yeah.
days, if anyone asks this question now, so I want to say when I talk with strangers, I mean co-learner, so I feel really happy, really happy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And what makes you angry?
What makes me angry when anyone say deny for me, I'm not doing your work like that. Yeah, so that
Okay.
I feel little bit angry, no more, because I am already sometime I feel like an angry bird. My mother says to me, you are an angry bird. Yeah,
Okay.
that
So, how many siblings do you have?
we are four. I
Oh,
have one
okay.
elder brother, then me, then my younger brother, then my younger sister.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, you are okay. Okay. So,
my problem, God, and second one me. So yeah,
okay.
I believe
Yeah.
in the universe.
Yeah. Do you believe in positive thinking?
Yes, of course, I believe in positive thinking. I believe in universe. Yeah, of
Okay.
course. I
Yeah.
mean, lot of every people they believe in universe. Maybe I mean you are also believe in universe.
Yes. Yes.
They always guide us. They always support us every time. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
like that.
So, you could, if you ask any question.
Okay, I want to ask you some other question.
Yeah.
So, do you like shopping? I think
Yeah.
yes.
I like. Yes.
Which type of shopping do you like most? I mean, online, offline.
Offline.